Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix distorted or crackling audio on your MacBook. This usually happens due to incorrect audio format settings, system glitches, or mismatched output configuration. Let's go straight into the fixes. First, start with the quickest check. Click the Apple menu and open System Settings, then go to Sound. Make sure MacBook speakers are selected under Output. If any external device or Bluetooth output is selected, switch back to internal speakers. Then test your audio again to see if the distortion is gone. Next, the most effective fix is adjusting the audio format. Press Command plus Space to open Spotlight Search, then type Audio MIDI Setup and open it. On the left side, select MacBook speakers. On the right, look for the Format option. If it is set to a high sample rate like 88,200 Hz or 96,000 Hz, change it to 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz. These standard settings are more stable and usually remove crackling or popping sounds immediately. After changing the format, play any audio or video to test the sound. In most cases, this alone fixes distortion issues completely without affecting normal sound quality. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. If the issue still continues, disconnect any external audio devices and restart your Mac. This refreshes the system audio process and clears temporary glitches that can cause distortion. Finally, make sure your macOS is up to date, since audio bugs are often fixed in system updates. And that's it. Your MacBook audio should now sound clean and clear without distortion or crackling.